Happy New Month, everyone. Maazi Ezeoke speaking to us. Today we are heading to Achina in Aguata local government area of Anambra State. We're going to a site, erosion site, but here you can see the road done by Rochas Anayochukwu Okorocha, the former governor of Imo State. This road is, if you're heading to Akokwa from Olu, you can see how that road is. This is a bridge that was done without any reinforcement in form of iron rods, and you can see that this bridge is basically almost collapsing. And you guys should remember that we are now in rainy season, so what it means is that in the next couple of weeks, if the current governor Hope Uzodinma does nothing about this road, of course this road will become impassable. Honestly, people, going and driving around the southeast, sometimes you ask yourself, why are people doing what they are doing? Is it because they are getting away with blue murder? Now here, that is, every car here must become a submarine car, because you have to swim in order to get, out of Akokwa. Anyway, that is to show you what we are passing through, what the people are passing through every single day in the southeast. Okay, here we are in Achina. This is Umueleke Achina, Idu Road. And you can all see here that this is erosion. It started small, and somehow they tried doing like a culvert, and everything now caved in. You can see that the erosion has taken the culvert, and everything is now gone south. It is an unbelievable sight. The only thing that I can think that comes close to it is last year I brought to us when I went to Isukwato in Imo State, the place, that's one of the worst places I've seen the erosion happening in the southeast. We have same in Oko and Nanka in Anambra State as well. And, you can see politicians trade blame if it's federal government or if it's state government that has this opportunity, or rather the responsibility to fix this place. All we can see here is that, we don't really care. Maazi Ezeoke, honestly, I do not care for 1 minute whose responsibility is. What I care about is that this ought to be fixed. If this is the responsibility of the federal government, and of course, let the governor of Anambra State and let the senator representing these people, Anambra South, Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi, who is their senator, I should and I will exactly be expecting that these things be brought to the floors of the Senate. Please use this video as evidence that these people here, my people of Aguata, are suffering. I mean, this is an unbelievable sight. The road, the Umueleke Achina Idu road, is cut off. There is no, there is no way you can pass. Even people on the left are using, they are using a footpath there, and I think that footpath is like, going. It's really dangerous basically to use, because it could cave in at any point in time. This is the beginning of rainy season, and this has been in this way. Now imagine for 1 second how this will be the moment rain continues to fall. And here, it's one thing you look at and you think, is it lack of governance or is it lack of foresight? Here, it's something that could be fixed before it degenerates into something that can be almost an impossibility to fix. Please, Governor Obiano of Anambra State and Senator Ifeanyi, you must come to the rescue of Achina people, and you must come to the rescue of Nanka people, and you must come to the rescue of Oko people. This is your senatorial district, that is the old Aguata Orumba. This is an unbelievable sight to behold, and this is just getting started. It is time that we begin to take these things seriously. For now, there is no life lost. But must we wait until we lose lives before we take this serious? Sometimes even the life lost does not appear to matter to you people until maybe when you lose your own life or someone dear to you. Imagine the son and daughter of a governor, of a senator, or someone up there gets somehow falls in here and something terrible happens. Maybe it's only then that we can fix this. Why can't we fix this now that it is still mendable? Is it something wrong that we cannot take responsibilities and act before things get out of hand? Or do we intentionally allow them to get out of hand in order for bigger money to be budgeted for? I mean, it is unbelievable. Even if you go to the Ezeoke River in Achina as well, that road is also bad. But here, this is terribly bad. This is Umueleke Achina, Idu Road. Maazi Ezeoke here. I am calling on the Anambra State Governor, the federal government of Nigeria, and the senator representing Anambra South to intervene before this gets out of hand. It is already getting out of hand, but before any life is lost. Once more, I remain yours truly, Maazi Ezeoke, the tormentor of bad governance in the Igbo nation. This is unacceptable, and we cannot take this anymore. There must be an urgent need, an urgent call for those in charge to come and fix this. Again, Maazi Ezeoke here, signing off. Remain blessed.